Ang Bangsamoro, kung saan may Bangsamoro, kung saan may Bangsamoro community, kung saan may Bangsamoro history, it's part of the bar. Bakit ko sinasabi yun? It deserve or dapat sinasama sa programa ni bar. 80% of human rights violations happen outside of the bar.
Sa pamamagitan ng pagkipagtulungan ito, muli naming pinagtitibay ang aming pangako na walang Bangsamoro ang maiiwan, ensuring that the shield of the law ay mananatiling bukas at tinutugon para sa lahat.
Your continued work in human rights education and legal assistance reflects a deep commitment to ensuring that every Bangsamoro, wherever they may be, is informed, protected, and empowered.
We recognize that true empowerment happens when national endeavors align with regional aspirations. Inshallah, by partnering with the Bangsamoro Human Rights Commission, we will aim to strengthen our capacities to monitor, investigate, and protect human rights across all Bangsamoro communities, including those beyond the Bangsamoro core territory.
I think they deserve to be in service of the Bangsamoro government. Dapat lang. Di ba? Nararapat lang, dapat lang. Kasi yun nga, hindi lang ang nagpagod kung ano man ang meron ang farm ngayon, ay hindi lang yung taga-farm lang, kundi lahat ng Bangsamoro.